Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. If x is inversely proportional to y cube and x is equals to 50 and y is equals to 2. In the last exercise we have studied the two variables which are inversely proportional, and in this exercise we have some different relations of different quantities and they are inversely proportional. So in this question the relation is in between x and y cube. Here x is inversely proportional to y cube. So in the last exercise we have studied how to write the quantities which are inversely proportional. So when the two variables are inversely proportional, the method for writing the inversely proportional quantities is x is proportional to y cube and the proportionality is inverse. So when the proportionality is inverse, then the variable is written in 1 upon inverse, so it means that 1 upon y cube. And if the proportionality is direct, then the variable is written in the numerator, not in the denominator. So in this question the proportionality is inverse, so x is in proportional to 1 upon y cube. So x is inversely proportional to 1 upon y cube, and further the information which is given that x is equals to 50 when y is equals to 2. So first, converting the proportionality sign into equality by multiplying with a constant. Proportionality sign is converted into equality by multiplying with a constant is k. So x is equals to k upon y cube. Here k is the constant. So x is equals to k upon y cube. So first we will find the value of the constant. To find the value of the constant, we have to put the value of x and y. When x is 50, y at that time y is equals to 2. So x is 50, k, y cube, y is 2 cube. So 50 is equals to k and 2 cube is 8. So k is equals to 50 into 8, and 50 into 8, 5 8s are 40. So the value of k will be 400. 50 into 8, 400. So the value of k will be 400. Now further, in the first part they are saying that first we will do the second part. In the second part they are saying that find an equation connecting x and y. So in the second part we have to find the equation. So the equation will be x is equals to k upon 4 cube and the value of k will be 400. So x is equals to 400 upon y cube. So this is the equation which is connecting x and y cube. Next is the first part. In the first part, find the value of x when y is equals to 4. Find the value of x when y is equals to 4. So using the equation x is equals to 400 upon y cube, x is equals to 400 upon y cube. Y is 4, so 4 cube, and 4 cube is 64. So x is equals to 400 divided by 64, and 400 divided by 64 will be 6.25. So the value of the x will be 6.25 in the first part when the value of y is 4. Now moving to the third part. Second part we have already done. In the third part they are saying that find the value of y. We have to find the value of y when x is 3.2. So using the equation x is equals to 400 upon y cube, x is 3.2 is equals to 400 upon y cube. So y cube will be equal to 400 upon 3.2. 400 divided by 3.2, so it will be y cube will be 125. To find the value of y we have to take the cube root on both sides. So the cube root of y cube and is equals to the cube root of 125. So cube is cancelled by cube root, so here y will be equal to the cube root of 125 is 5. So the value of y will be 5 when x is 3.2. So this is the question number 1 of exercise 1D. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.